Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to be talking about coloring your databases in your Notion workspace really quickly. Is it possible and how does it work in practice? Well, let us take a closer look at the available workarounds and solutions here, guys. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to your Notion workspace and access to the page or database you would like to customize. So as you can see, I added a database or table to that page here in my Notion workspace just for the sake of this tutorial. And just right from the get-go, guys, there is currently no way or no option to color your entire database with one click. Unfortunately, that option doesn't exist. If you, for example, head over to your database options here in the top right corner or settings by clicking on these three dots here, you may go through, for example, all of these settings here and customize your database, but there's actually no way how you can change the background color for your entire database, unfortunately. However, there is a workaround, guys. One option would be to, for example, color simply the background of the given items, like text in this case here, for example. Let's say, for example, you would like to color the background of these four texts here under that category property. To do that, simply left click on the given text, and after that you will see that menu here highlighted above. So what you want to do is simply click on that text color here, or alternatively use the shortcut here, Control that icon here, I can't read it, it's so small, +H, and simply select your text color or background color from the list below. So let us keep a blue background for all of these texts or items under that property here, and simply repeat the same process for each of your items here under that property, and that's basically it. The other option would be, guys, to simply assign custom color to your status property. And that is possible. You may, for example, simply click on your status property here. After that, select edit property and assign, for instance, a custom color to each default or to each option here, like for example to that status option by left clicking on it and selecting a color. So let me go with brown, for example. In progress should be, let's say, yellow, and complete. Let's keep complete at green. And that's how you assign custom colors to your status property. And that's how you can work around the lack of the background color for your databases here on Notion. I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, guys. Let's call it a day here, and we'll see you next time on our channel.